Hello, Jarl here with West USA Realty and Arizona 55 Plus Communities. I'm in the 55 Plus community of Sunland Village and going to show you another brand new listing that I have here. So hang on to your eyeballs. Going to give you some live, raw, unedited, lots of blooper video. So this home sits on the north side of the street facing south. It's stuccoed on the front. And it's got a 30-year architectural shingle on the roof here, and I believe that was done in 2011. All the trim has recently been repainted on the exterior. You've got this very nice palm tree in front. It started off as an original 600 floor plan, and they did some customizations inside the home at build time. So we're going to show you that here shortly. The home was built in 1980, and it's 1,750 plus square feet. You've got this nice front patio to the south here, and the garage sticks out to the west side of the home, so it provides you some shade in the afternoon. Stepping inside the front here, we've got a real nice tile throughout the kitchen, hallways, bathrooms, and the family room that you're going to see. And this is your front formal living room. This is all new carpet and padding, and we have all new interior paint inside the home. And this is an extra large dining area. So the way this changed is they did put a galley kitchen in this home, but a 600, this would have been 2 rooms, and there would have been a wall in the center that run through here to separate the kitchen and this dining area. But they did a large laundry room with an extra half bath and added a family room right behind the garage. So a very nice home. As I continue on inside the home and I take a right in that first opening there, that takes me to the 2 bedrooms. Standing in the front corner of the dining room here and looking back towards the formal living room. Nice big picture window, and again, all new interior paint. The home is clean and ready to move in. Very nicely updated inside. Headed down the hallway towards the bedrooms. The master bedroom is towards the front. There's a coat closet there just to your right before entering the master bedroom. And a nice large master bedroom here. We've got 2 large double closets. As I continue in towards the bedroom, we'll turn you here, and then here is the master bath, and there's a pocket door that closes that off from the bedroom. There's your 2 double closets for the master bedroom, the doorway exiting the bedroom, and then here is your master bath. Here's your master bath. They've added a new countertop, new sinks, and then you've got a nice good size step-in shower here. Leaving the master bedroom, looking down the hallway towards the guest bedroom, and you've got a large linen closet to the right, and then this is a large double storage closet. And then as we walk towards the guest bedroom, a lot of people end up taking this guest bedroom as the master bath. Looking into this guest bathroom, new countertops, new sink, full tub and shower. And then as you walk in the bathroom here, they've cut in a pocket door going into this guest bedroom. So that's the reason they end up taking this guest bedroom sometimes as your master bedroom. Large double closets, that whole wall is closet, and we've got 2 skylights in here. We've got a solar skylight and then another rectangular skylight that was cut in. And then you've got this patio door that goes out onto your back patio. Standing in the back corner of the guest bedroom, looking back towards the bathroom, and the doorway going out into the hallway. And then looking out into this Arizona room, This could be converted back to a covered patio if you wanted to, but this is a nice, light and bright Arizona room. It's all tiled with lots of nice large windows, and we're going to show you that here shortly. So all new countertops in this kitchen, new paint, and the cabinets are in excellent condition. Just looking at the kitchen from a different angle here. Again, the home is just as clean as can be, ready to move in. A nice large home, lots of extra space. They've got a built-in pantry here on the end, and then as we continue through, there's another pocket door here, and this is your family room with a large window looking outside, so you could use it as a den or a family room, but it's really good size here. And then here is your doorway going into the garage. This is a very unique room for this floor plan. And like I said, it was all customized at build time. Standing in the front corner of that family room there, again, that's the door going into the garage. And there's a pocket door there going into the laundry room with a sink and an extra stool. And then here is the doorway going into the kitchen, and there's a pocket door that closes that off as well. And then there's a doorway going out to the Arizona room. Standing in the family room, looking into this laundry room there, you've got cabinets above the washer and dryer. You've got an extra vanity and sink, and there's your stool. There is a large skylight opening cut in this room as well. Standing with my back to the family room, looking into the kitchen towards the dining area. And again, there was a skylight cut in the kitchen here as well, a rectangular one on the end just before entering into the dining room. Lots of natural light coming into this home, and again, it's one that is definitely worth coming to see. Large dining area here. And then looking back through the dining room towards the front door. Standing in that back guest bedroom, looking through the patio door into the dining area and kitchen, and then looking into this Arizona room. Like I said, 4 big windows looking into this backyard, and as we go out that door on the end, there's a covered patio there as well, and we're going to take you out there here shortly and show you that as well. Standing out on the back patio, looking back into that Arizona room. And again, this is really a nice Arizona room with these big, large windows. And that guest bedroom is down to the far end there. That's the patio door. It's a dark, cloudy, overcast day, so don't pay any attention to the lighting because there is a lot of nice natural light in this home. So there's your covered patio. And we've got some nice shrubs and landscaping in the back. And then there's looking to the east in the backyard. Exterior of this home again has been recently painted as well. All the trim has been repainted, and very nice and in great shape on the exterior as well. Again, my name is Jarl with West USA Realty. I specialize in selling homes in 55+ communities as well as resort style and golf communities throughout the greater Phoenix metro area. If you've stumbled into this video looking for a home for yourself, please visit my website at www.justjarl.com. All of the specific information for this home will be on my website directly below this video. So again, please visit that website at www.justjarl.com. I look forward to meeting you in person, and I'd appreciate your business. Please call me at 480-710-6326 to schedule a viewing of this great home. Thank you, and bye.